In this video we'll guide you through the process of creating a shipment in the GEGO Tracking Solutions portal. Select the option to create a shipment. Assign a name to the shipment you are creating. Select a device from the list. All devices associated to your account will be displayed. Check the battery level, and the portal will provide an indication if the battery is too low. Choose the origin of the shipment. Enter the address from where you plan to ship. Select the destination. This is the final address where the shipment will end. Note that you'll receive a notification when the device arrives at this location and the shipment will be considered delivered. The route for the shipment will be displayed on the right-hand side of the portal. The portal will provide an estimated time of arrival for the shipment. Add flight is only included in corporate plans. If applicable, you can add flight details for the shipment. Click on Add Flight. Enter your flight info, airline, flight number and date. From the drop-down menu, select the appropriate flight for the shipment. Note the transition in the route display from ground to aerial. The estimated time of arrival (ETA) will be automatically updated, reflecting the adjusted times based on the selected flight. Include followers for the shipment. Followers are individuals who will receive notifications about the shipment and related events. After entering all necessary details, click on the Create button. The new shipment information will be displayed on the portal and notifications will start to be sent to the followers. All shipments can be edited after creation until the moment they are delivered or cancelled.